So I had a DJ the other day reach out to me because he was going to do his first same-sex wedding. I don't know if you've done one yet, but I've done more than my share over the years. Unions before they were made legal and or parties. But when it came to a same-sex wedding, this guy was in panic. He's like, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to do? This is a gay wedding. This is a same-sex wedding. What am I going to do? I don't know I've never done one of these things. What do they do? How are those weddings? I mean, I have to learn about, is there a book I can get? Bill, can you tell me what's going to go on? Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I am not an expert at gay same-sex weddings. Guess what? Nobody is, because a gay wedding or a same-sex wedding is just a wedding. Come on, it's just a wedding. There's nothing different you need to worry about except for the fact that you apparently might be uncomfortable. And if you're going to be uncomfortable at somebody's really amazing celebration, are you really the right person to be a part of it? Now, I would say, don't be uncomfortable. Find a way to get over it, because I'll tell you, there's nothing more beautiful than a beautiful wedding of two people in love, whether it's same sex or it's opposite sex. It's just beautiful people coming together to celebrate, and the people who love them coming together to celebrate. The same things apply. The same things that you would do at any wedding, you would probably do at their wedding. But here's the thing to really reach into and really understand. If you are going to really be a DJ company that people seek, it shouldn't be that you do same-sex weddings and you do opposite-sex weddings, because I can do that. It should be that you do weddings, and that every wedding, every single solitary wedding, is completely unique and different. So what are you willing to do? How are you willing to create for that couple, whether they're same-sex, whether they're not, whether they're 80 years old getting married or whether they're 18 years old getting married? Everyone has this special personality about them that wants to have some special personality brought out at the wedding that they are putting on, the wedding that they are inviting all of their friends to. They want it to be unique. And unique for most people is what color the stuff is going to be, what kind of linens and what kind of crystal and what kind of flowers and how's the dress going to look, or my suit. And that's not unique. That's just different colors of the same thing. They want unique. They want you to be able to help them express them. That's at every wedding, every single solitary wedding, whether it's same-sex wedding or whether it's opposite-sex wedding. To get yourself freaked out just because two girls are going to get married or two boys are going to get married, it's the same thing when my wife and I got married, okay? It's just two people creating a celebration. Now, if you have a problem with that, then I would suggest that you don't do weddings that you're going to have a problem with, because they wouldn't want you a part of something that you're uncomfortable around, okay? But you don't have to be weird. It isn't something you have to study up on. You've got two brand new people that you need to study up on. Just like when I have a male and a female, I've got two new people that I need to study up on so I can understand what's special to them to be able to create for them. So, what's the difference? Where is there not difference when it comes to people? But when it comes to weddings, it's just a wedding. I know that there are people out there that are going to be all weird about it because I brought this up, or they're going to think that I'm promoting a certain kind of wedding, like I'm promoting gay weddings or I'm promoting same-sex weddings. And honestly, I'm promoting weddings. I'm promoting love, okay? That's what I'm promoting. If you want to tell me that I'm awful, go right ahead. But for me, love is love. And a celebration of love is something that we can create for people. I'm Bill. This is Creative License. Go out and love.